Bold colors are making a huge comeback in 2025, bringing energy, personality, and vibrancy into our homes. Gone are the days of bland and safe neutrals. This year is all about embracing fearless hues like cobalt blue, emerald green, and terracotta orange. Let's explore how these bold colors can transform your spaces and learn the secrets to styling them effectively. Let's start with the trending bold colors for 2025. Cobalt blue adds sophistication and energy. Terracotta orange warms up spaces with its earthy vibe. Emerald green brings luxury and nature indoors, while golden yellow lights up any room with cheerful brightness. For those seeking drama, magenta, fuchsia, and deep plum offer richness and intimacy. These hues allow you to infuse your personality into your home. Now, how do you bring these bold colors into your home? One popular method is color drenching. This means using a single color in various shades throughout the room for a cohesive look. You can also add pops of bold color with accent walls or furniture. Layer complementary colors for contrast or harmony. And don't forget the details. Bold textiles, patterned rugs, and colorful artwork can make a big impact. Let's look at each technique in detail. Accent walls are a fantastic way to bring bold colors into your home without overwhelming the space. Choose a single vibrant hue, like emerald green or terracotta orange, and pair it with neutral tones for contrast. Features like a colorful fireplace, a bold kitchen island, or even vibrant shelving can add personality and make a statement. Layering complementary colors is an easy way to add depth and vibrancy to your spaces. Pair high contrast colors like cobalt blue and golden yellow for a dramatic look, or use analogous colors like magenta and plum for a harmonious layered effect. Complementary colors can be applied through furniture, decor, or even subtle hints in textiles. Let's see how these combinations can transform your home. Patterns and textiles are a great way to bring bold colors into your space without committing to paint. Think patterned rugs, colorful throw pillows, or even upholstered furniture with vibrant prints. Geometric designs, floral motifs, patterns and textiles bring personality to any space. Don't forget about the ceiling. It's the fifth wall. Painting the ceiling in a bold color like golden yellow or deep plum can create a dramatic effect. For a more subtle statement, consider adding patterned wallpaper or textured finishes. Bold ceilings are perfect for spaces with high ceilings or minimalist decor, and they can transform a room into an unexpected focal point. Balance is key when working with bold colors. Pair vibrant hues with neutral tones or natural materials like wood and stone to keep the space grounded. Metallic finishes, like brass or chrome, can also add sophistication while letting bold colors shine. Balance ensures your space feels vibrant yet harmonious. Vibrant yet harmonious is the goal. Bold colors are more than just a trend. They're a way to express yourself and bring life to your home. Whether you're color drenching or simply adding a pop of vibrancy, these hues can transform your space into a masterpiece. So get creative, have fun, and make 2025 your most colorful year yet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration.